Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make a small program with almost everything we've incorporated. You'll be also learning new things in this one. This will be the last of the console-based application basic programming language tutorial, and in my next tutorial you'll see something a lot better using another program. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna want to do is declare sub main, declare sub add, declare sub subtract, and we're gonna make a calculator as you can see. Alright, so what declare does is it's declaring, or it's like making a menu, and it's gonna be called main as well as for this one. Alright, we need a start main, so we type in main, so that starts main. That's like the first menu is gonna put is main. And now we're gonna put sub main. This is saying that everything that is here is gonna be the code for main. So we're gonna type in sub main. We're gonna type in print one add. Sorry about that. One add and print one subtract. All right. Now we need a dim choice as integer, and we need to put input what's, oh, remember to put quotation. Sorry about the ringing, somebody's calling my house. What it's gonna be. Alright, and then that, and then choice. I already explained what that does, so I'm not gonna say. Okay. Now we're gonna do a new one, and we're gonna put if, which is a new one. If choice equals 1, then add. Else if, which is like telling it, I'll tell you now. Else if choice equals 2, then subtract. Alright, what this does is it's telling it if the choice, or the whatever you put in after this, equals 1, then it'll go to add. It'll go to the menu of add. And else if it's not this, then it's gonna go to the menu of subtract. Okay, and you have to put these together, my bad. After every if, you need to close the if, so you need to put end if, so that basically ends the if. Also, that also goes for main, or for a sub. End sub, you have to do that in every one of them. Now we need to start the new sub, so we do sub. We don't need to type this again, because once you hit 1, then it's gonna already go to that. We don't need to initiate that. Sub add, oh my god, sub add. In sub add, we're gonna type in input. Well, first of all, we need a dim first num as integer, and also dim second num as, second as integer. And actually one more, we're gonna need dim answer as integer. Alright. Oh shit, I spelled ass. My bad. Now we need to put input if choice, input what is the first number. Okay, now input what is the second. Alright, this is both gonna have the same thing as I've told you before, but this one's gonna have first number, And this one's gonna have second number. Whoa, my god. Second number. Alright. Now, what do we do now? Okay. Now we're gonna do a little bit of the math part. Answer. I always put answer wrong. Answer equals first number plus second number. Alright, what this does here, I mean, it's almost obvious. Answer equals whatever the first number that you put plus the second number. That's just basically it. And now we're gonna put print first number, or answer, I mean. Alright. And now you also end the sum. Alright, to make this easier, what you could do is copy this, so you won't have to have so much. Just copy it, and then go down again, and Control V it, or paste it, basically. And then type in here sub. Instead of that, you type sub, subtract, subtract, and you put end sub. I always forget the D. Always. End sub. But instead here, in this one, we're going to go right here. I'm going to change that to minus. Okay, and... oh, I actually messed up. Oh my god, I messed up. If we do subtract, the same thing will come out. Which I also messed up in. Yeah, there we go, you see? Alright. This is the first tutorial. This is the last tutorial I'll be making in this, so I hope you guys like it. You'll see soon my new tutorials. It'll be a lot better.